Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. So excited. I'm gonna bring you a quick and easy garlic butter shrimp. Heavy on the garlic, heavy on the butter, heavy on the shrimp. Let's do it. All right, nice saute pan here. We're gonna take this up to a 9. If you're cooking at home on gas or electric, it's probably in between the medium and the high world. We're gonna add, have a whole stick of butter, but we're gonna add half of it now, okay? Half stick goes in. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna melt this down. We're gonna toast our garlic to kind of get that nutty effect. And then we're gonna baste our shrimp in that great garlic butter. Finish with some parsley and lemon and add some salt and pepper along the way. Best way, we're gonna just split these garlic cloves just like this. I'm shooting for like 4 or 5 cloves, very nicely. Now move our butter around. We really want to toast this and sweat out that garlic and get that great flavor. And what we want to see is this translucent. We want this garlic to sweat. We want it to caramelize. We want it to look amazing. So that's our key step. While that's working, let's prepare our shrimp. I have some 1620 shrimp peeled and deveined. Had them soaking in some water. I just want to pat them dry. Kind of get all the moisture off them and get them ready, because that butter and the oil do not mix. They'll pop up and spark up. We want to get a great saute on here, serve it right out of the door, nice and fresh. This is something, if you're doing it for a lot of them, you could have this done ahead of time. It's not really mad at you about that, but look how nice this garlic is frying up. Oh, does that look great? Smells amazing. We're gonna chop some fresh parsley just to finish it with a nice fresh note. This is probably a half bunch of parsley. That's a lot. Oh, garlic looks great. This is it. So take this guy down to about a 3, so that's medium low in our book. Nutty and great. We're gonna add in our shrimp. Look at this. I'm gonna tell you 1.5 minutes on each side just so they puff up. Get that great color, get that amazing intensity. Look at this. Salt and pepper goes in right now. Chop our butter too, because this is really our finisher. We're gonna finish with that butter. We're gonna saute this around so nothing sticks, but look at that nutty flavor and color we have. Very translucent, very good. Now we're gonna bring this back up to around medium. We're gonna add in our acidity. You could use white vinegar, but lemon is really the key to this. Very nice. We'll add 2 blocks of the butter, so that's almost 3/4 of a stick of butter. It is garlic, it is butter. That makes it better. Just move that around very nicely. That's great broth. Add in our parsley. Shut it off and just let that parsley meld in, kind of steepen in with all the flavoring here. Finish this with a little bit of cheese. You're my best friend, but today I'm not doing the cheese. I'm just doing garlic and the butter. Oh, it's that good. This is a winner dish. Let's try a piece. Great. Garlic, butter, lemon, shrimp. Hands down delicious. Easily done. Enjoy this. Make it at home for everyone.